Hello guys, today we are going to see Python data structure, tuple, data type, slicing and indexing. So in this, one important thing to be remember, that is your Python data structure, data type that is working on it. So if you are creating one particular tuple, then it cannot be changed or it cannot be append, extend, or you cannot perform insert on it. Very first thing is we are creating a tuple. So right here you can see we picked up name of fruits, and my tuple is giving me those list of fruits. So those tuple of fruits. Right here you can see we have represented those fruits in we have all the values. Then we have in green color we have positive indexing, and in blue color we have negative indexing. Now to access these values we have to give the index number of the elements. So index number 0 is apricot, index number 1 is black currant, index number 2 is custard apple, and so on. Now, when I want to slice it, so what I will do is I will pick it up the start and step value for my tuple. Okay, so right here what what you are looking here is default value of your tuple. So it is right now my first element is 0, second element is length of tuple, and third element is my step value, that is 1. So right here when we look into rules of positive indexing and positive slicing, default value of first element is 0, first element is smallest element, default value of second element, third element decide the flow from left to right. Rule for the second element is n-1, where n is length of substring. After subtracting it from, it returns the index value. Rule for the third element is n-1, where n is position. After subtracting it, it returns the step value or skip value. So here we can see that we are taking different values for first element, like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and remaining two values are constant, or I will say default values are there, and we are getting the following output. In the same way, when we are changing the second element, we are getting different elements in my tuple. Now, in the third one, we are using the step value. So very first one is colon. So here the default value is element value is 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So it will skip 1 value. So right here you can see that it is skipping 1 value in my tuple. Then in the third case, here we have third element as 3. 3 minus 1, it becomes 2, and it gives me this particular tuple after step value. Then in the same way, we keep on doing this particular thing. In the last one, we have third element as 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So we are getting these two values. Now we will see negative indexing and negative slicing. So negative indexing means you have to start from right and go towards left, and index number starts from -1 and it goes towards index -1, -2, -3, -4, and till the length of the string. So rules for negative indexing, negative slicing is default value of first element is -1. First element is largest element. As you know, in case of negative numbers, -1 is greater than -2, -2 is greater than -3, -3 is greater than -4, and so on. Default value of second element is negative. Length of string, second element is smallest element. Default value of third element is -1. So it should be -1 because it decides the flow of data from right to left. Now, rule for the second element and third element is n+1. Previously, it was n-1. Now it is n+1 because we are in negative indexing. Now we are applying it. So in the following one, you can see the default values. My third element is -1. My first element is -1. And second element is length of string +1. Now, here we are changing the first element, -1, -3, -5, -7, and -9. And according to that, we are getting following output. And in the same way, we have these stuff, that is, we are changing the second element, and according to second element, I am getting the following information. So -10 plus -1 gives me -9, -8 plus 1 gives me -7, -6 plus 1 give me -5, -4 plus 1 give me -3, and then -2 plus 1 gives me -1. So in this way, I am getting the output. I hope you understood negative indexing, negative indexing, negative slicing, and positive indexing, positive slicing in case of tuples. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe the channel and give thumbs up to this video. Thank you.